What if a single portable 3D scanner could scan tiny mechanical parts, shiny objects, people, cars, and even objects outdoors in direct sunlight? Well, this just arrived. And today we're unboxing the brand new Revopoint POP 4 Premium Edition to see if this could be the most versatile scanner Revopoint has ever made. But there's one accessory hidden inside this case that I wasn't expecting. Hi, as a 3D designer, I'm always looking for better ways to bring real-world objects into my digital workflow. And Revopoint has just released the POP 4. Let's open it up and see exactly what's inside. The POP 4 arrives in a clean white box. On the front, we can see the Revopoint logo, an image of the scanner itself, and the POP 4 branding. The back includes the model identification label, confirming that this is the premium edition. The packaging already feels very professional and gives a good first impression. But the real surprise is inside. Right away, we're greeted by a carrying case. And honestly, I love when manufacturers do this. Instead of throwing accessories into cardboard compartments, everything can stay protected and organized between projects. And considering this scanner is designed to be portable, a dedicated carrying case makes a lot of sense. Let's open it. The first thing you notice is that the carrying bag have two zones, one with the main accessories and another with more parts. First, let's check out the main accessories. Let's start with the mini turntable. If you've ever scanned small objects before, you already know how useful a turntable can be. Instead of walking around the object, you simply rotate it while keeping the scanner steady. And this usually makes capturing smaller parts much easier. And for someone who designs and prints a lot of small objects, I can already see myself using this quite often. Next, we have the tripod. Simple, compact, and useful. This allows the POP 4 to be used in a fixed position while scanning objects placed on the turntable. For reverse engineering parts or scanning collectibles, this setup can be extremely convenient. Now, this is one of the accessories I was most curious about, the battery grip. This transforms the POP 4 into a truly portable scanner. According to Revopoint, the integrated battery can provide around 4 hours of operation. That means you can take the scanner outside, scan large objects, vehicles, statues, or architectural details without being tied to a computer or power outlet. And that's where another accessory in this package becomes important. The premium edition also includes outdoor blue filters. These are specifically designed to help improve outdoor scanning performance. And considering that POP 4 supports scanning in bright outdoor environments, it's clear Revopoint wants this scanner to be used far beyond the workshop. I'm definitely looking forward to testing these in a future video. But we still haven't looked at the most important thing in the entire package, the scanner itself. And here it is, the Revopoint POP 4. At first glance, it looks compact, modern, and surprisingly lightweight. But inside this small device is a huge amount of technology. POP 4 combines blue laser scanning and infrared structured light scanning into a single scanner. That means it's designed to handle everything from small detailed parts to larger objects and even difficult surfaces like black or shiny materials. Revopoint describes it as their most versatile scanner yet. Now let's see what's in the next compartment of the bag. And this is where we find three more important items. The Calibration Board, a bag containing 500 high reflection markers, and the instructions. The Calibration Board is used to verify and maintain scanning accuracy. It's one of those accessories you hope you don't need often, but you'll be very happy to have when it's time to calibrate the scanner. And then we have 500 reflective markers. That's a lot of markers. These are especially useful when scanning featureless objects that might otherwise be difficult for the scanner to track. The package also includes a USB cables for connecting the scanner to your computer or mobile phone, for the battery grip, and for the turntable. Simple and straightforward. Everything needed to get started is already included. As someone who spends a lot of time designing models for 3D printing, what excites me most about the POP 4 is its flexibility. One day, I might need to scan a small mechanical component. The next day, a collectible figure, and then maybe a larger object outdoors. The idea of having one scanner capable of handling all of those situations is incredibly appealing. So that's everything included in the Revopoint POP 4 Premium Edition. The scanner, mini turntable, tripod, battery grip, outdoor blue filters, calibration board, USB cable, and 500 reflective markers. It's a surprisingly complete package, but unboxing is only the beginning. Now comes the fun part, actually putting it to work. What would be the first thing you'd scan with the POP4? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, happy printing!